Hi everyone and readers of the A&L magazine. Today we will be making tuna fish salad, or you could use this as egg salad or chicken salad. First you're going to want to drain out your tuna, which I have just done. You're going to be using two 5-ounce cans for this recipe. If you did chicken, you'd want to do about a cup of chicken. You'd want to slice depending on how you like your chicken, or you could do about 4 to 6 eggs sliced. Okay, so now that we've drained our tuna, you're going to use a fork here, and you're going to put the tuna into a bowl. And then once you get all the tuna in there, you're going to mash up your tuna. And just like the chicken, if you want more chunks, don't just leave it maybe like this. If you want a little bit like thinner, you can mash it up some more. But once you have it to your desired thickness, you're going to get a piece of celery and 5 pickles. If you were doing chicken salad, you might do some celery and some grapes, maybe 10 grapes and a stick of celery. If you were doing egg salad, you might just do the pickles. But first, we'll begin by chopping these up. The pickles, you'll want to cut them in half so that they're thinner pieces. You don't want the pieces to like stand out too much, but then just cut them up. Go, and then do that with the rest of the pickles. When you're done with that, you're going to do your celery, or you can do these in either order. Cut your celery in half. I guess if you want to cut again, you can. Feel free to, again, your choice on the thickness here. It's not like baking where that's super important. And chop your celery up. Now that you're done chopping everything up, you're going to want to pour it into your bowl that has your tuna. And then you're going to add your sauces. So you're going to take a tablespoon of your favorite mustard. I'm using Dijon today. And let's see. It's okay if your measurements aren't exact, because you can always change things up depending on how you like. If you don't like any mustard at all, that is fine, but just add a little bit extra mayonnaise to make it a little bit smoother. And then add 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Again, this does not have to be exact because we're not baking. But 3 tablespoons should definitely smooth things out. If you want it even more creamier, then feel free to add more mayonnaise or mustard depending on what you like. So you're going to want to mix this up really well, because the mayonnaise, you don't want clumps of it standing out. And then once this is all mixed, so it should look about like this, you're going to add some dill. If you are doing any of them, egg salad, chicken salad, or this tuna salad, you do about 1/4 of a teaspoon of dill. You're going to shake that around and stir it up. You don't want to add any more or it will become really overpowering, and you definitely don't want to add salt to any of these because salt will overpower everything. And then also for the egg salad and chicken salad, feel free to add the mustard and mayonnaise as well with the same quantities. And here's your tuna salad. Enjoy it on some lettuce, a sandwich, some crackers, whatever you like.